Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Now, we're going to keep this short this evening, guys. We have a hurricane coming through. I know we have a lot of traders here in Central Florida, the Orlando area. So you guys be safe out there. All right. So we're going to go through for about 30 minutes. I just want to make sure get you guys this information, okay, as far as the markets, and we'll get you guys out of here. And again, want to make sure everyone is safe. All right. Hopefully you're prepping, got your water, your sand. All right. So hopefully it will just pass through without any major disruptions. All right. Hey, Mohammed, welcome. All right. Let's go ahead and, guys, let's get right to it. Okay. So let's go through, rather than current positions, let's go through the market. All right. So let's see how equities did. The Dow was up. Dow was up 126 points up for the day. Okay. NASDAQ was down. Got a nice update on the NASDAQ. 1.45% on the NASDAQ. Really big move on the NASDAQ. NVIDIA did really well. The Dow was up, right? And Russell was also up, all right? VIX, we're keeping an eye on the VIX, all right? So keeping an eye on the VIX. VIX is at 21, all right? Did make a move higher yesterday all the way up to 22. But retraced a bit. So we'll definitely keep an eye on the VIX. It's moving higher, so we're getting more volatility in equities. All right. But we're holding firm on the S&P. You guys can see that. All green candles. All right. Same right here with the Dow. Okay. So no red candles, no selling. And on the NASDAQ, nice big update on the NASDAQ right here. Looking to test resistance. Okay. So good price action in equities. The dollar index, you guys know we got a buy signal in the dollar index. Okay. Hey, Antonio, welcome. Welcome, Antonio. All right. All right. Dollar index, guys, we do have a buy signal, so keep an eye on your dollar pairs. Now, we're seeing some selling, which is unusual, all right, with a buy signal in the dollar index. We are seeing some selling in the dollar pairs. We'll go over those dollar and pound pairs, all right. Big picture, and we'll continue to focus on the big picture also, guys, as we move forward to fourth quarter, right? The Dow weekly time frame holding firm, big picture, right? So nice upward trend line. So we know trend following, follow the trends. On the monthly time frame, the Dow holding firm. Buyers are definitely in control. S&P, same thing here on the weekly time frame. And on the monthly time frame here, guys, all-time highs on the S&P. NASDAQ, same thing here, right? Looking to break through the high right here. I wouldn't call this resistance, just a high on the weekly and on the monthly. Look at that, guys, breaking through that resistance. Remember, the NASDAQ, most of your large cap stocks, all right, large percentage, right, large caps, mega cap stocks will follow the S&P and the NASDAQ, okay? Russell, which is small cap, all right? So smaller companies, Russell is holding right here, still need to break through that resistance on the weekly and on the monthly right here. Remember, VIX, guys, VIX is at 21 right here. If the VIX continues to move higher, big picture, monthly time frame, right, we could see where the market might correct. But so far, holding big white candle here of support right here. If we get and I would say probably not this month, okay, but next month, if we start to see green candles coming like this, that will not be good for equities. Okay, so right now, It's got a white candle. We don't need green candles to come in, start moving higher up here. That will not be good for equities. The Magnificent Seven stocks. All right, so NVIDIA, guys, give a buy signal today. So we're going to call NVIDIA, all right, with a buy signal, guys. So buy signal on NVIDIA came in today. Perfect buy signal. Look at that. On a break of resistance right here. You guys know we buy when the price breaks resistance. That's when we know big institutions, big hedge funds are buying. So broke resistance right here. Buy signal right here today on the daily time frame, guys. This blue arrow here is our buy signal. NVIDIA's trading at 132. Great move in NVIDIA. All right, so great move there. Let's take a look at the rest of the Magnificent Seven stocks. Apple. All right, Apple had a buy signal here. We have a red candle, so sell signal. We need to get another green candle. All right, break through that resistance to call a buy signal again. So now currently no buy signal in Apple because we've got a red candle. We treat those red candles as sell signals. Okay, Tesla buy signal here, holding. We need to break through that high here. Meta, Facebook, buy signal here. Look at Meta, guys, moving up nicely. Got past sellers here. A lot of sellers are here, and even here. We are now breaking out good buy signal here. Microsoft, all right, sellers are in. Remember, red candles here. We do not have a buy signal. Last buy signal was here. Sell signal here. We're just waiting, all right? We start getting green candles, break through that resistance, we'll get a buy signal. Right now, nothing to do here with Microsoft. It's trading within a range of resistance and support right here. So nothing to do, right? We can't trade it yet. Amazon, all right, same, Amazon here, buy signal here, red candle here. So we should be out. And Google right here, buy signal holding. We need to break through that resistance right here. We do have a tight range, so let's bring that in. All right, right between support and resistance. So we have some of the Mag 7s are breaking out. The others are still holding. That is a bit of a concern. All right, so it's trading within a range right here. Okay, Bitcoin, guys, still nothing with Bitcoin. Okay, so there's nothing here to trade. Trading at 62,000 on Bitcoin. We really need to get, let's bring this up. All right, get past this consolidation. All right, let's bring this all up here. So I got to get past all of this. All right, very defined support, very defined resistance. So it's range bound. Nothing to do here. Okay, the dollar index, guys, moving higher, right? Had a big support area here, big support, all right? And we are red candle followed by a white candle here, so we are moving higher on the dollar. Pound yen, guys, big green candle here on the week, last week, and we're just holding. We're looking to test the highs here of the channel here. Okay, so just keep an eye. I know near term we see some selling in the yen pairs. So just be careful with the yen pairs. They can go back and forth right now. Good volatility in Forex on the daily time frame, guys. So really good volatility, almost 95% volatility on the daily time frame. On the 240, about 90% volatility, right? All that yellow in here, these yellow numbers, means we've got volatility. Volatility is bad for stocks, but good for Forex, okay? All right, so on the 60-minute, all right, we've got decent volatility. I would say about, 85% or so. All right, currently, let's see here. We're starting to see some buying come back into the yen pairs after some selling. All right, I'm also in the Kiwi and Aussie pairs. Dollar pairs are mixed. But if you guys look just through this here, you're going to see we're mixed, okay? Ideally, we want to see selling in the group. All right, or buying, like here, we see a lot of buying here on that daily time frame. We need buying to come in here on that 60. Move that buying to the 240. Daily is already set up. Mixed in the dollar pairs, all right, and also mixed in the pound and euro pairs, okay? All right. So a bit of confusion in Forex. We still have movement. You guys have to just trade accordingly, but no rotation. We do not have a rotation in Forex. So just pick, be selective, pick your trades accordingly. Okay? All right. Yen pairs, TRY, JPY, current trade. We buy signal here, sell signal here on the 60-minute time frame. We should be out of TRY, JPY. All right, so close that trade, please. USD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal here. We should be out, all right? And we'll wait for the next buy signal. USD, JPY, close the trade, please. Swiss yen, all right, buy signal here, sell signal right here, close the trade, please. All right, Swiss yen. All right, CAD yen, guys, buy signal here, sell signal, broke support, red candles came in, closed the trade, CAD yen. So clean things up. SGD, Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, please. All right, cut those losses. All right, ZAR yen, buy signal here, sell signal, red candles, sellers came in, white arrow to sell, close the trade, please. ZAR yen. And pound yen, all right, pound yen, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, white arrow, close the trade, please. Pound yen. And we'll go through this quickly. Hong Kong, HKD, JPY, buy signal here, guys, sell signal here, close the trade, okay. All right, 60-minute time frame now. All right, it's consolidating. We get another buy signal. We'll let you guys know. HKD, JPY, close the trade, please. Aussie yen, buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, close the trade. We don't want to be in that trade when it comes down like this. Sellers come in heavy. We want to get out. So Aussie yen, close the trade, please. All right. Same thing. New Zealand yen, buy signal here, failed, red candle, close the trade, please. New Zealand yen. All right. Euro yen. Again, buy signal here, sell signal right here, bought here, sold here, close the trade, okay? And then we have some dollar pairs. So USD, CZK, buy signal here, bought here, sold here, close the trade. So clean things up, guys. All right. USD, HUF, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, please. USD, HUF. USD DKK, so you guys notice these trades are closing. Buy signal here, sell signal, broke support here, close the trade, please. USD DKK. A dollar CAD is holding. Buy signal here, good trade going with dollar CAD. Let's move this. All right, buy signal here, still holding. All green candles. We do have a purple support and resistance, so we're getting overbought. Keep an eye on that. All right, USD Swiss, dollar Swiss, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade, please. Dollar Swiss. All right, USD SEK, buy signal here, sell signal, broke support, close the trade, please. All right. All right, when we close these trades, guys, we're making room for the next trade, okay? So USD NOK, buy signal here, still holding, so we'll keep that one. No shorts, okay? So we don't have any shorts on the 60-minute time frame, okay? And we talked about be careful with the shorts, all right? Be careful with the shorts. Especially with the yen pairs, all right, because the overall trend is long. All right. On the 240, we do have trades on the 240. All right, in Monster Scalper, let's take a look at those. I believe these are holding much better on the 240 time frame. Okay, let's go through these. And I promise I'll try to get you guys out of here quickly. All right, Aussie Swiss, guys, buy signal here, bought here, sold here, red candle, perfect sell signal. Okay, so bought here on a break of resistance, broke support, red candle, white arrow here to exit the trade. So we should be out of the trade. If you're still in the trade, you're doing something wrong. So Aussie Swiss, close the trade, please. USD DKK, buy signal here, moving up nicely. All green candles nicely in the markup phase. Our target is all the way up here if it can make it. USD CNH, all right, buy signal here, really good markdown phase, right, good discount, all right, held right here, white candles, we got buyers coming back in here, green candles, buy signal here, still holding USD CNH. So the 240 is holding well, guys. USD CHF, buy signal here, holding firm. Target is here. All right. USD SEK also. All right. Buy signal here. All green candles. Keep an eye on this one because we have sellers here, guys. So sellers are here. See here and here. Here we are. So any indication of, sellers, all right, you might want to close the trade. All right, so just know tough resistance here. Right here, we have strong resistance right here. Buy signal here. Definitely keep an eye on it. Don't want to give up too much profit. Okay, TRY JPY, that's holding firm. All right, buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Target all the way up here if it can make it. Swiss yen. All right, Swiss yen, buy signal here, holding a lot of resistance here. Okay. CAD yen. Did I talk about Swiss yen? CAD yen, buy signal here, all green candles, purple support and resistance. It's got to get past resistance here, guys. Tough resistance here. So here's where it failed before. Buyers failed here, here, and here. All right, and here we are, hoping to make it out of this zone here. SGD JPY, same thing here, almost identical price action, guys. ZAR yen, all right, ZAR yen. Let's take a look at ZAR yen. Bring in a trend line. Now this is reaccumulation. First trade did well. We're hoping this next trade do okay. All right, right about here. First trade did well. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. We need buyers to come on back in and keep moving higher. Target is here. Okay, but just remember, guys, this is high in the markup phase. Okay, all right. Your first trade is usually your best trade. All right. EUR JPY, buy signal here, looking to break through that resistance. If these yen pairs, guys, could break through these resistance, we could see a move higher. Remember, on the weekly time frame right here, pound yen on the weekly time frame, we've got buyers. And these yen pairs will follow pound yen. And on the monthly time frame, look at pound yen, looking to break through that big resistance. So the momentum is up long. Okay, so we're hoping that these yen pairs will break through this resistance right here and keep moving higher. If we wait for it to break through that resistance, okay, we might miss out on the trade. So sometimes you got to get in early at the buy signals. HKD JPY, same thing here, guys. Strong resistance here, here, and here. Buy signal here, and we are moving up. Purple support and resistance, so we're a bit overbought. Hopefully it can get past all of that and move up higher. Target is all the way up here, and we've got decent price action on the way down. So we're hoping to get decent price action like this on the way up. Okay, HKD JPY and Aussie yen. Aussie yen, guys, close the trade. So buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, close the trade. Aussie yen, that's too bad. Okay, no shorts on the 240 in Monster Scalper. Okay, We will take a look at equities. Our futures traders, our US 30 traders, not much going on there. Okay. All right. So we'll skip that this evening. We might take a quick look. All right. Aussie CAD in Forex dominator, just holding. Aussie dollar, red candle here, guys. Buy signal here, red candle. Right, we were hoping for a bounce like this, right here, like previous bounce here of this trend line. Did not happen. So Aussie dollar, close the trade, please. I know we don't have a lot of traders on here, but that's fine. Swiss yen, trading Forex dominator. That's holding in Forex dominator. CAD yen, holding. SGD, Singapore dollar yen, buy signal here, holding. All right, good. Look at this, guys. That's a great V. That's what we want to see, right? All right, so we have a high here. Here's your markdown phase. It's like a rubber band, right? So as it comes down, right, we want to get a good price on the way back up. Buy signal here, broke resistance, and it is moving up nicely there. ZAR yen, same thing here. Target, first target all the way up here. Pound yen. All right, pound yen, guys, same thing. Let me clean this up. Previous long trade did really well. Markdown for especially our new traders. Make sure you guys draw in your lines. Right, this will keep you in the trades. Remove a lot of those emotions we have to fight against when we trade. Okay, so markdown phase. That's your discount buy signal here. All right, on break of resistance, all green candles moving up nicely. All right, our first target is all the way up here, pound yen. All right, HKD, same thing. All right, so you guys see what's happening here. Let's move this. Here's your markdown phase, buy signal here. So boy, on that daily time frame, these yen pairs are setting up nicely. All right, so buy signal here. We need it to go all the way. Now, if it can get all the way up here, all right, that's a lot of pips, guys. That's a lot of pips. If it gets all the way up here, that's about 10,000 pips. A lot of money. All right, Aussie yen, same thing here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely. So pay attention. Pay attention to that price action. You try to short this on a smaller time frame, you might get burned. Okay, NZD, JPY, same thing here. And then dollar, USD, HUF. A difficult trading here. Let's see if we should keep this. All right, we'll keep it for now. Very defined support and resistance areas. All right, so here is resistance here. Here is support. All right, we only have $1 pair in here. So we'll see. All right, buy signal here. Long way to go to break through that resistance, but trading within a tight range there for Forex dominator. Hey, Solomon, welcome. Solomon, welcome. I noticed you call, Solomon. I'll call you back when we're done. All righty. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Equities. We haven't looked at equities in a while. Let's see here. We're going to go through stock bars. So small caps. Let's go through these quickly. And I'm hoping to get you guys out of here quick, but let's see the time. All right, we're doing good on time. IAG, guys, buy signal here, red candle, close the trade. Remember, it's not what we want. It's whatever the price action is doing, right? So we got to close the trade. IAG, close the trade, please. All right, PSNY, white candle here. We'll hold on for now. All right, BGS, guys, lots of selling came in. Red candle here, sell signal, close the trade. right? This is what could happen. Get out, close the trade. All right, OLPX, let's see here. Let's bring in the trend line. All right, let's see if we can get a bounce of that trend line here. Buyers can come in. Let's see. All right. All right, that's holding. Holding for now. Holding. 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 And remember, guys, we have buy signals on all three of the indexes except for the Russell. Holding right here. All right, so stock boss. Now, we don't have a lot in stock boss. We have more in bull master. Let's take a look. We'll go through these quickly here. All right. If we've got white candles, we'll hold. Red candles, close the trade. Sell signals, close the trade. Okay. Let's run through these. Holding. AZEX. I'm sorry, AZEK, close the trade, please. We have red candles here. Sellers are coming in, close the trade. Holding, holding, holding. Nice break above that resistance there, holding. Most of these should hold, guys. Markets been doing well. DVA, buy signal here, red candle here, broke support, close the trade. DVA. Holding firm. Holding, good price action, holding, holding. FND, red candle there, so close the trade, FND. Oh, FTAI, look at that, guys, good price action there, moving up nicely, nice. All right, HCA, that's too bad. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. That buy signal, not a bad trade there. Smooth trade. 345 was the buy signal, 378 sell signal to close it. So HCA, that's healthcare. All right, Hood. Oh, look at Hood making a move higher, breaking through that resistance. Good job there. MAC holding. MFA sell signal. So buy signal, red candle, close the trade. That's a little concerning. We have some sell signals coming in. But remember that VIX is moving higher. VIX is at 21. Okay, so we're keeping an eye on that VIX. All right, OSCR, close the trade. Red candles came in here. Follow your process. Small losses, big wins is what we want. Small losses, big wins. Good price action. Keep an eye on that one. Roku, good buy signal, good price action today. SGRY, red buy signal here, guys, right here. Red candles came in yesterday and today. We should be out. Okay. Out of that trade. On that first red candle, we should be out. All right. SOC, red candle, right here. Close the trade, please. Guys, on this, the market might be, this is not good when they're closing out like this. THC, red candle here. Close the trade. Broke support, red candle, sell signal. White arrow there, close the trade. And these are large cap stocks too. All right, holding. I mean, most of them are holding. Follow the same price action, even if you're trading Forex or futures, okay? All right, so that's Bull Master. Now, Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Let's go through these quickly. Good price action, ADMA. AMD holding. Amazon, red candle here, guys. I know it's hard to see. Red candle right here. That's a sell signal, so close the trade. Amazon, close it. All right, holding. Good price action there. Holding. Right. Usually these stocks in Bullmaster Pro with fundamentals will tend to hold much better. SHIP for now holding. Oh, look at that. TW, good price action here. Okay. So overall, buyers are holding. We do have some selling coming in, and that is to be expected, but we had a bit more than we would like to see. So we'll definitely keep an eye on that, on the VIX right here. Okay. All right. So underneath, things are not as smooth. I want to take a look at Stock Boss, see what Heat Seeker is doing. So we're going to run Heat Seeker here. Let's see what's coming up. 72, so that's a lot. Okay. Bullmaster, 122. All right, so we're getting stocks. Stocks are coming through. It might be those particular stocks that closed. I didn't pay attention to the sector that they're in, but we've got good stocks coming in. I mean, we tracked 22,072. Those of you who've been with us for a while, Solomon, you know that's pretty good for Stock Boss. And 120, what was that? 121 for Bullmaster. That's pretty good. So not a major concern, but the VIX. All right, we'll keep an eye on the VIX, on volatility. Okay. Our US 30 traders. You guys notice we've probably called 2 buy signals in the last over a month now, probably. All right. So guys, it's in a tight consolidation here. Okay. If you're gonna trade, even if you trade on a 5-minute time frame, smaller time frame, just be careful. Nothing here. All right, absolutely nothing here on the US 30. Very tight consolidation. Buy signal, right, on the daily time frame. We do have a nice upward trend line here. All right, but look right here, all of that right here. Right, that non-movement here is here. So, and all of these buy signals, they didn't turn out. Okay, so guys, just be careful. Just because you see buy signals come in on your system doesn't mean we are going to call a buy. Okay, so very difficult trading. So stay away right now. The US 30. The NAS has a buy signal here. All right. It's in a little better shape. It's trying to break through that resistance. We have a buy signal here on the daily, wants to break through. But again, we haven't called that buy signal. If we get a second buy signal after this buy signal, once it clears that area, we might call it. Okay. So the market is a bit tricky right now, guys. A lot of consolidation all over the place. Okay. All right. We were hoping that after non-farm payrolls numbers came out last week, we could get, better direction. But that's not the case. And we have a lot going on. We have an election. We have wars all over the place. We have hurricanes all over the place. So, all right, you might have traders that are taking a break, trying to figure things out. Okay, so a lot of times that's why we get all of this funny business here in the markets. Okay, all right, that's not good trading here. Okay, so just be careful with that. Okay, on the monster scalper, let's do monster scalper and then we'll be done. All right, let's see. Let's see if we have. I think New Zealand. We saw something came over New Zealand pair, so we'll go through this quickly. 60-minute time frame. We're looking for buy signals. Okay. Buy signals on the 60-minute long. All right. Keep an eye on the Aussie and Kiwi to go long. New Zealand CAD, I think that was the one. A bit early, guys. We need the 240 to develop some. So that buy signal right here, I would pass on that. Perhaps the second buy signal might work out, but we need buyers to come in on the 240. Okay, so on the Aussie pairs, nothing yet, but they are setting up, especially this one here. If you guys look here, Aussie dollar, that's a really good markdown phase. Okay, so keep an eye on it. That doesn't mean it can't go lower. All right, but if we get a bounce on the daily right here, bounce on the 240, right, that 60-minute might turn out. But long way to go. We need buyers to come in first, so don't chase them. All right. So Aussie pairs, they're setting up, but not quite ready yet. Kiwi pairs, same thing, okay? Yen pairs, dollar, yen, wait for a buy signal, guys. All right, good price action. We have a buy signal on the 240, all right? So a buy signal on the 60-minute, if we draw a trend line like this, bring in our resistance line. You guys can do this so that you're waiting patiently, all right? Breaks to that resistance, we'll get another buy signal. That might be an opportunity to get in there, all right? So USD, JPY, wait for buyers to come in. Same thing here, TRY, JPY. Same thing with SGD, JPY. All right, be careful shorting this. All right. HKD, JPY, looking to go long. Buy signal on the 240, buy signal on the daily. And we're just waiting for a buy signal on the 60. Same here with pound yen. All right, so we should be waiting patiently. Okay. Euro yen, same thing. Swiss yen, same thing. CAD yen, same thing. Aussie yen, same thing. Okay. Dollar pairs, let's see here. Dollar ZAR, buy signal there. Dollar ZAR looks good. USD SGD, same thing. These are running, guys, very similar to the yen pairs. Okay, so dollar pairs and yen pairs are running together. That's strange. All right, so you guys can see what's going on here. USD HKD has a decent buy signal here. USD DKK wait. USD CZK wait. All right, and today is what, Tuesday? Do we have data? Hold on. Let's see what we've got as far as data. All right, so today is Tuesday. We have data coming out this evening at 8:30. The Aussie. Thursday, euro, nothing in the dollar. Well, yeah, Thursday, the dollar, we've got, what's that? Core retail sales, we've got retail sales, unemployment claims, that should move the market. Friday, just the pound, Great Britain. All right, so not a big week for data, but they're setting up. These dollar pairs and yen pairs are setting up. And remember, we do have a buy signal on the dollars, okay? So the dollar pairs, dollar index here. So we have a buy signal on the dollar index. So these yen pairs and these dollar pairs are moving higher, okay? So guys, I wanted to go, get through this. Our traders that are in, I know we have traders all over Florida. All right, this is a big one. Okay, this is a big one, and I've been around a long time. I've seen a few hurricanes, and this one is a big one, and it's coming right through Tampa. It's going to come right over Central Florida. Orlando is where we are, Winter Park, Orlando area. Okay, so if you guys are, in this area, be careful, okay? Be careful. Be very, very careful. My son works in Tampa. He came over to Orlando to be with us here. All right. My daughter, 2 weeks ago in college, Tallahassee FSU. She came over because the last hurricane went right through Tallahassee. So we're getting a lot of hurricanes here. Okay, so again, those of you who are in this area, guys, just be very, very careful. I've been hearing all day from our traders. So if you guys need any support, any help, just let me know. Okay, we're here to help. All right, you guys be safe out there. All right, this is a big one. This hurricane. I've heard that the last time Tampa got a direct hit by a hurricane was about 100 years ago, and this is a Category 5. Now, I don't think it's going to hit as a Category 5. I think it's going to lose some steam there. But even if it's a 3 or 4, that's a big deal. And we've had a few, St. Pete, Tampa was hit a couple of weeks ago. All right, 2-3 weeks ago. I don't keep track of all of this stuff, but it's big enough to be, pay attention. All right, so you guys be safe out there. And if you guys need me for anything, I'm here. Okay. All right. Take care, guys. I will see everyone on Sunday. Okay. And our Discord, just make sure you guys get into the Discord, talk to the other traders, learn from our other traders. Okay. Take care, and I'll see you guys.